So, yes, it's another TRS room review, and I promise this is my favorite. This is the TRS Coral, but this room is the one bedroom loft suite. There are so many things I love about this room, so let's get into it. First off, as soon as you come in the room, there is a powder room. So the powder room has a sink in the toilet, very spacious. Then in the hallway, you have two sets of closets. You have an area right here where you can put your luggage. You have an umbrella in the room. And then you have this mini bar that has your snacks, your espresso maker, the mini fridge, and it also has a wine refrigerator. So ask your butler, because you do get a butler with this room, about a bottle of wine. It was included when we were there, but it may or may not be at this time. So you have this bar area with two cushioned high boy chairs. You have another sitting area with two chairs, and then the famous leather sofa, another table, and another chair. Then you have this expansive patio door that opens up to a beautiful ocean view. But get into this patio, this balcony. It is so spacious. You have this large spa tub. You have this very cushioned, very comfortable lounge chair. Look at that view. Oh my gosh, the blue water is so beautiful. And then you have another sitting area with two cushioned chairs and a table out here. That thing in the back is a lantern, so there's a lamp in there that's good at night. And of course, if you open up the doors, the air conditioning will cut off. So this is the downstairs part of it. Television downstairs, of course. Very cute lighting. And then you can go up these stairs. Now, I love any type of room that has stairs. To me, it just gives a home away from home vibe for the resort or accommodation that I'm staying at. So once you get up the stairs, this room comes in either two queens or one king bed. So they gave me a two queen bed. You have a chair. You have a lot of room in here, a lot of places to put things. We're going to get into the bathroom first. So you go into the bathroom. You have a double sinks. You have the cute mirrors, and then the smaller mirrors on around that. You have the famous bathtub with the lighted background. And the bathtub does have jets. So there are two tubs. There's the hot tub on the patio, and then the tub in the bathroom. You have this separate shower area with a rainfall and a handheld. And then that shower is very spacious. And then you also have a water closet. I don't need to show it. You know what a water closet or a toilet looks like. Also, what I love about that room is that hallway that we just went into the bathroom. It has two sides of doors that are closets. So you have more than enough room. It has hanging room for clothes, and it has drawers in the closet. Then you have this kind of like glass overlook. You can see down. You can't step out. I don't believe it opened. I can't remember, but it's still a very beautiful room. And then there's a television up here as well. So again, this is the one bedroom loft suite at the TRS Coral All Inclusive Adults Resort. Let's get you booked.